I need to go to class online. I need to find my email. Oh, look, Nora Lubecki sent me an email with the Zoom link. English class today, 9 a.m. English class today, 9 a.m. Click on the link. Okay, I will click on this link. Oh, it says open Zoom meetings. Always allow Zoom to open links of this type. Okay. Open Zoom meeting right here. All right. And join with computer audio. Okay. Wow, I can see myself. I'm using computer audio. Hello, teacher. Hello. And look, I see my videos on. My mute is off, so I can talk. You can hear me. You can see me, my video. Uh-oh, I need to sign in. All right. Look down there. Right here is the chat. I'm going to click on the chat, go over here, and I'm going to type my name, Garfield the cat. I'm Garfield the cat. Okay, and now I'm going to hit enter. And there it is up here. Garfield the cat. I signed in. Woo woo. Now, when class is over, time to go home, I'm going to sign out. I go back down to chat. Oh, where's chat? I don't see chat. Where is chat? Just get my mouse and move it, and there is chat right there. Click on chat. And oops, I turned it off. Click on chat and type. Bye, teacher. Garfield is leaving. Ha ha ha. Oh, you can type anything as long as you put your name and say bye bye, good night, or have a good day. Now enter, don't forget, enter on your keyboard. Enter. And there it is. Do you see up here? Bye, teacher. Garfield is leaving. And look, it gives me a time. Ooh. I know how to sign in and sign out. Woo, woo, woo.